Hello, everyone, and welcome to Com 512-617, Communication and Diversity in the Workplace. Hey, it's Dr. Spates, and I'm giving you your announcements and your weekly checklist for this coming week. I want to start off with an announcement specifically dealing with the workshop. Some of you saw the information pop up in your announcement section, but I want to give you a little bit more. So the Missouri State University Center for Dispute Resolution, also known as the CDR, is hosting a special workshop, Speaking Up to Bias, this coming Wednesday from 12 until 1 in PSU 315. That's on the third floor of the PSU right here on campus. And so for those of you who are resident students, please feel free to come out to this workshop if you choose to attend. If you choose to attend, there will be a sign-in sheet for you. But if you choose to attend this workshop, you do not have to turn in a reflection for reflection over Chapter 5. So that is the trade-off. I know that some of you have different schedules and some of you are working during that time or may have a class. But if you can make it, if you are able to come out to the PSU this Wednesday from noon until 1, bring a lunch if you would like. But we're going to talk about speaking up to bias. I'll be leading the workshop and we'll be focusing on a lot of issues that pertain to our class. So what happens when when we're experiencing prejudice or discrimination in the workplace? How should we speak up and what should we say? A lot of us have trouble with that and struggle with that. And so it is a chance for us to kind of talk it through and understand how important it is to truly use our voice for good. If you're not able to make it, I know some of you are taking the course and you're enrolled, but you are outside of the state or not close to the campus, we're going to try to see if we can get a recorded session for you. But if not, I will look for an alternative to see if maybe we can do live streaming or something like that. But I do want a chance for those of you who would like to engage with this workshop to be able to do that. Thank you so much for the interest that's poured out already. I just want to let you know that we are trying to get a couple things done for you so that those who want to see it can see it. But however, for resident students, if you would like to, please go ahead and attend this session and you will not have to turn in Reflection 5. That brings me to the second part where I want to go over the weekly checklist. These are things that will be due Monday, March 2nd, a week from today. Just a reminder that if you are not able to make the session, go ahead and complete Reflection 5, which is going to cover Chapter 5 in our book Differences. I am really enjoying all of the reflections that I'm reading. You all are really going ahead and giving good insight. I do want to take a moment right now and remind you, please remember to not only read the chapter, but to go into the course readings section and look at the videos, the podcasts, the articles, and other things that I posted for that week. Those are assigned readings as well. They're not optional. They are supposed to accompany the chapter. So please make sure that you're going through all of the materials as you write your reflection, and please respond to all the materials as well. Most of you have turned in your part 1 for the final project. Once that is approved, I'll be approving those this week. You are free to proceed. If I have any questions or if there are any issues, I will let you know. But if you're approved, that means that you have the points and you're able to proceed into part 2. Please continue working in pieces and doing your best with this project. You want a nice, polished, perfected piece at the end of this. As always, I'll add events and other things as a part of this course so that you have an idea of what's happening on campus. But since this is the last week of February, I do want to officially say Happy Black History Month. I am so honored and proud to be a part of the African American community. There are so many contributions that we've made as a community to not only to America, but to the entire globe, but even locally here at Missouri State in the Springfield community. So I just want to say, I hope that everyone has had a chance to celebrate an opportunity to have good conversation, productive conversation. And by taking this class, I hope that you have a higher motivation to interact with people who are different from you. Thank you so much. I'll be looking forward to checking in with you once again next week on Monday, March 2nd. Have a great week.